Babylon Gamelan is actually a pilot project that we've developed to test out an idea for a larger, longer-term project. From the response we've had, I would definitely say there's a real appetite for more events like this to happen, to enable people to come together, to experience something that's different, something that's free, so therefore is universally accessible and everyone can enjoy.
Bedworth doesn't really have anything like this, so it's really nice to have something that's a bit avant-garde, to be honest, because we're kind of like the war town, the poppy town, but we're not the artsy town, which I think a lot of us are, really.
It's a real highlight to know that 350 children have been involved with the project and have made all of these amazing cans.
Bedworth Park is a lovely park and it needs some more facilities bringing to it.
We work with Race Leeds Junior School, so we had this idea to just go in with a load of junk. Through like a large group discussion, we decided what sounded the better.
Never seen an event outside before, which I think is much better for the children. Get the children out, get them in the fresh air, and I hopefully there's more to come, really.